This right here is an Airstream Atlas. We do all of the same upgrades on the Atlas that we do on the LTVs and the other RVs in this category. So you can upgrade your suspension to the rock and roll package with Bilstein shocks, struts, stabilizer bar, as well as the Ataleaf and Sumo springs front and rear, just to improve the way these things drive. So we're also able to do the battery upgrades and the inverter upgrade just like we do on the other RVs. So you can do a 3,000 watt inverter with stronger battery power to be able to run your AC off your battery and not have to run your generator. And we're also upgrading to the Atmos if yours didn't already come with them. And the Atmos is a much quieter unit and more efficient unit than the one that it comes with, as well as it has a heat pump. The heat pump will work all the way down in 23-degree weather. And then the AC is actually a 15,000 BTU AC. So not only is it more efficient, it is stronger and quieter than the one that would come off, enabling you to get, significant battery life. So a starting point on these, we would say would be good with like solar and, maybe a 320 amp hour battery. You could get up to 4 hours on just one 320 amp hour battery. There's not really a limit to how many of those you can put in there, or you can do the larger 630 battery, which will get you about 8 hours of AC time. And that's in Florida AC time, so 90-degree weather, hot RV, not being careful with your power usage. You're talking 4 hours on a single 320, 8 hours on a 630, or you can expand to multiple of those batteries. Now, if you are a Sprinter owner, you'll know this very well. They do not come with a very good horn, so we do upgrade the horn. As silly as it sounds to talk about that, the horn that it comes with is more like a small little commuter car. It needs more of a regular vehicle type of horn so people can hear you if you need to honk. So that is something I recommend. We also do the wolf box camera so that you can actually see out the back of it, as well as the echo camera system, so you can, when you hit your turn signal, you can actually see out the side. If you have an Airstream and you want more info on what we can do here, go ahead and click below and request more info.
As you can see behind me, I have the JJs in the wild working on this Airstream Atlas because this customer came in with a blown AC. They're getting a brand new Atlas, so let's go ahead and get straight into the build.